The world's largest time capsule in the world.
It's the world's largest museum in the world for collecting marbles.
Center of the country. It's the largest porch swing in the world.
World's largest ball of stamps.
When we decide what stories we're going to cover, we're thinking about Nebraska first.
Welcome back, everyone. Covering Lincoln this morning, we're talking about a very special performance coming up.
Nebraska locates in Midwest of the country with a population of nearly 2 million people according to the national statistics of 2022. Here is a question. Is Nebraska a good state to live in? Nebraska is one of the best states to live in because of its overall high quality of life, growing job market, and low real estate prices. It's ranked among the top states for most affordable cost of living and ranked 5th in terms of housing prices. Salaries are above the national average, and the price of everyday items is lower than the national average. Lincoln is the capital city of Nebraska, along with Omaha, the biggest city in the state. The population of Lincoln is nearly 400,000 people. Lincoln is also called a small Silicon Valley because of many tech startups call Lincoln home. Beside that, Lincoln is a home of a number of universities and colleges, like University of Nebraska-Lincoln, Nebraska Wesleyan University, Union College, Bryan College of Health Sciences, and Southeast Community College. Overall, Nebraska is a state of world's #1 things, like the largest stamp ball in the world, the world's biggest marble shop with 1 million marbles in it, the largest porch swing in the world, the world's largest time capsule, and the world's largest animal vaccine producing factory.
These German marbles, you were talking 40 cents per 100 to do them by hand.
Well, new generation really don't know much about marbles. They don't play them. They play the TV.
The diameter of the stamp ball is 32 inches wide, weighs 600 pounds, and contains a reported 4,655,000 cancelled stamps. They were all stuck together, layer upon layer, by the sticky tongues and fingers of the Boys Town Stamp Collecting Club starting in 1953. This is the largest porch swing in the world, which is recorded in the Guinness record. The length is 32 feet. It can take 16 adults. It's originally built in 1985 and it was moved to here in 1991. So, if you know any other interesting places in Nebraska, write in the comment below to enrich the information. That's all for my story today. See you in the next video.